This is Norton Finish Up iChannel. We are here at FNB Stadium. Kaiser Chiefs 1, Mamelodi Sundowns 2. My brother, how's it?
I'm good anyway. How was it?
Fine, thanks, man. How do you feel about the game today?
Ah, I'm so excited, ne?
Yeah.
But I want to say to Unavi, yabona Unavi, akamele change ama players, yabona. Bona, game number 1, siwinile, angithi.
Yeah.
Game number 2 sidlala namazulu.
Yeah.
We created a lot of chances, angithi. Sawakora, angithi.
Yeah.
Because of this loser 1, uBlom, angithi. Sayuza captain wethu, angithi.
Exactly, yeah.
Why should manje athome ngoCastillo before uLokani uBlom, angithi. Bona angeke wachange igame ngoBlom. uBlom while ubeka uBlom as defensive unikela uMark ukuthatha
Yeah, phambili, yeah.
it's simple igame ucreate ama chances siyakhona ukakora ngithi
Yeah.
but masela ufaka uBlom emove singo substitute
Awazi ya phambili, yeah.
akakwazi uBlom yabona manje ungenile wakudlalela emove ngithi while ungucoach now udlala 3-4-3 continue with 3-4-3
Exactly,
uPito uthethe i-league 3 times ku-Sundowns
Exactly. Ngale system, yeah.
ngesystem A1 so why sifuna ukututsa ngapha nangapha phela mina ngeke ngashentsha ukuthi ngidlala ne-Sundowns ngabhithile amazulu 3 nge-first half so why should ngishentshe
Bengamelanga mina bengamoshekanga wayeshintsha.
why you change angithi so bemele acontinue ngale first team yakhe acontinue ngayo angithi and then azo-etha phezu kwayo yabona so uNavi akathembe wonke ama-players akhe ne akastike ku-scheme esi-1 ukuthi ngidlala 3-4-3 or ngidlala 4-4-2A 4-4-2B
And angashintshi abantu abadlala.
ngidlala 3-5-2 azishuzela ukuthi udlala yiphi pattern angithi akalise ukusaba yabona ngimzwe mina kulo ku-conference ne athi I'm not ready for Sundowns. I was so sure ukuthi Sundowns just beat
Bezonshaya.
ngimzwile athi I'm not ready for Sundowns.
Yeah.
ucoach i-leader utshela
ama-players
I'm not ready. Ama-players utazoba ready. If you're a coach, you have to lead by example. But last Sundowns benefita kubo Revi, Sundowns benefita kubo Revi. Since last season benefita nina Sundowns. And thina amakhosi from this season asisabi. Bonke abaku-top 8 abadlali top 8 Kareti, Stellenbosch, Sundowns siyanifuna this season. Bye bye. Makhosi, forget about this illusion. Abalisi ukulahlela e-stadium. That's illusion. We have to accept angithi. But this season asiwahleleni isiphi chance. Improve.
Well done.
Please Makhosi.
Improve ngempela. Well done.
Sharp.